Welcome to Ask and Learn.
In this question, okay, the situation is, okay, there's a box, there's a crate, okay, a 200 Newton force is exerted by you to push the crate to the right, and then the velocity of the crate is constant. Okay, so in this question, we want to find out we want to find the frictional force and whether is it equal and opposite to the 200 Newton push, and uh, and is it a reaction force to your push? Okay, so to solve this problem, first we note that since the velocity is constant, okay, the acceleration, okay, is 0. Okay, the net force is equal to 0. Okay, so the friction, okay, is pointing to the left. Okay, it's going to be 200 newtons to the left. Okay, okay, so that it will counter the 200 Newton push by you. And so is the friction equal and opposite and directed to the 200 Newton push? Okay, so yes. Okay, the friction is equal and opposite to your 200 Newton push. Okay, so the answer is yes. Okay, so but one thing we need to know is that okay, although the frictional force is equal and oppositely directed to the applied force. Okay, the two do not make an action-reaction pair. Okay, because the two forces, okay, we should put a full stop here. Okay, okay, that's because both forces act on the same object. Okay, one thing to note is that the action-reaction pair, they don't they don't act on the same object. Okay, okay, which is the crate. So the reaction force on your push is the force by crate on you. Okay, so this is the answer for the last question. Okay, and that's all for this question.